What's up guys, so today we're finally back on with the Datsun 280z project. It has been waiting a while because we've been waiting for the engine to sell. A few people have sort of left deposits and then still not come and collected, so we're just going to pull the engine anyway. This is the engine that's going to be going in. So it's an RB25, it's got RB26 rocker covers and the GTX 3076 turbo. But long road to go before this has to go in because we're going to refurb the whole shell anyway. Now, this is the video I was a little bit nervous about because the car still works at the minute, still runs, still drive it, and after this it's basically we're going into that deep hole. But then I remembered it's not even my car, so let's just rip it apart. Okay, so it is now the next day. I did get down here pretty late last night. Just got the car swapped over. Got this one jacked up on axle stands and wheels off. First job, we're going to be probably pulling the grille off and the splitter and also the bonnet because this is a 70s car and it comes up forwards. So we'll get rid of that first and then we'll start looking at what we need to pull off to get the engine out. Alright, so it's come apart pretty quick to be honest with you. Brad's here gives an hand. We've got bonnets off, front air dam, intercooler, the grille. All we've got left now really is the prop shaft, but that's on the sliding, well we think it's a slide-in one. We're going to take the gear stick off, just because that gets in the way. And then we're pretty much ready to unbolt the engine mounts and then lift it up and find out what cables are still attached, but let's get that done. Alright, so engine is out, and that was pretty easy. What been at it, Brad? 2 hours?
Yeah, it's so,
and you can start to see why we needed to take it out. So wiring mess, and all this front panel. So that's all started to rot through, and this slam panel is not original, obviously not with them bird shit welds. So we're going to find a lot more of that when we sandblast it anyway. But that is going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching and thanks for helping us out, Brad.
cheers.
Next up we will be taking the doors, seats out, all the interior, all the big stuff basically, and get it down to a bare shell. So catch you next time.